Question number 22, we're being asked about the curve with this equation. We want to find dy dx at a general point on this curve. To do this, we're going to use implicit differentiation. We're going to take the derivative of both sides with respect to x. Okay, let's crunch this out. The derivative with respect to x of x to the fourth is 4x cubed. The derivative of x squared times y with respect to x, we have to use the product rule here. It's going to be the derivative of x squared times y. The derivative of x squared is 2x times y. The product rule says it's the derivative of this times this plus this times the derivative of this. There's a minus sign there that I'm going to distribute out here. Minus x squared times, what's the derivative of y with respect to x? That's going to be dy dx. Not just 1, common mistake would just be that's 1. This is dy dx. And then finally, derivative with respect to x of y to the fourth, we're going to use chain rule here. The derivative of y to the fourth is 4y cubed, but we also have to chain rule multiply by the derivative of y with respect to x. Derivative with respect to x of 1 is 0. Okay, we've got this expression written out here. So at this point then, what do we need? We need to solve for dy dx. So dy dx times, let's see here, 4y cubed minus x squared. And the other terms here, the 4x cubed minus 2x times y, let's move those to the other side. So 2xy minus 4x cubed. And so dy dx is equal to 2xy minus 4x cubed all over 4y cubed minus x squared. This is dy dx. This answers part A of our question. We found dy dx at a general point on the curve. For part B, find equation of the line tangent to the curve at the point -1, 1. We need dy dx at the point -1, 1. And so let's just plug in. X is -1, y is 1. Okay, so 2 times -1 is -2. -4 times -1 cubed, that would be +4. All over 4 times 1 minus 1. So that looks like upstairs is 2 and downstairs is 3. So the slope of the tangent line is 2/3. And so to finish this off, we should know how to go from this to the slope of the equation of the tangent line through the point -1, 1. Y minus y naught is 1. Y naught is 1 here. Is equal to 2/3 times x minus -1, x plus 1. Okay, that's problem 22.